Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to split Excel cells into columns. This is an example Excel file that I will be using in this video. This is a column of names, but there is extra information with these names separated by commas. I would like to keep the text after comma into another column, so I will split these columns into two columns. First, select these cells. Now click on Data tab and click Text to Columns. Now keep selected this option and click Next. Now check this comma checkbox and click Next. Click Finish. You can see that the cells are successfully split into two columns. Hope you like this video.